Hi, my name is Jackson Vale, and I'm going to give you all a little bit of information about my topic, Habitat for Humanity. So what is Habitat for Humanity? Habitat for Humanity is a U.S. non-governmental and non-profit organization that was founded in 1976 by a couple, Milliard and Linda Fuller. It's a Christian organization that does a lot of charity work, such as rebuilding homes for people who have damaged homes and can't afford to rebuild them. They refurbish homes for people who can't afford it, go in and do all kind of refurbishment with money from donors and corporations that they get. They have a national disaster distress team. Whenever a national disaster occurs, like hurricanes in the Gulf or any kind of landslide or anything like that, extreme severe thunderstorm, their national disaster response team will go out and help clean up people's houses that have been damaged or repair them. And they raise support for decent and affordable housing for everybody that cannot afford or is struggling to afford it. And who do they help? So Habitat helps a ton of people. They help a lot of families in broken or damaged homes, like families who can't afford to fix their homes. They might have all kinds of damage, broken windows. They'll use their money to help fix those up. People who can't afford to live, so people who can't afford to live in their house, they can help relocate them to a cheaper location or work out some sort of deal with them. And people who can't afford basic home necessities. So Habitat runs its own resale store, and everything in the store is donated by volunteers or members of the community. So they donate things like basic household appliances, toilets, sinks, doors, washers, dryers, old refrigerators. It's all donated there completely for free. And the money that they get from selling this to these people at a low price goes to the workers that work in the resale store and to supplies to help rebuild damaged homes and properties. And Habitat has an 83% rating on the charity trustworthiness scale, which is a scale that rates how trustworthy the charity is with their money. And they're rated 3 stars. And all the views and reviews say that this charity is well worth their money. It goes to a safe place, and it's in a good spot. And Habitat's mission statement is seeking to put God's love into action. Habitat for Humanity brings people together to build homes, community, and hope for everybody. And so this is the source cited I used. It was just Habitat for Humanity's website. And thank you guys.